Hi, this is Michelle Courtois. Today I'm going to teach you how to finish converting your knit into an Intarsia. This is step 2 and the final step. So we're going to go to File, Convert Image. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select my size reduced file. This box is going to populate called Image Import Parameters. We're going to select color map size, which is our 1 stitch per pixel. And we're going to change our unit from stitches to inches. And here we can see that it's 11 inches wide and 12.5 inches high. We want to change the scale of this and make it a little bit smaller for what we're going to do today. But if I wanted this to become a placement Intarsia, I would just hit OK and it would generate. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to manipulate sizes. So we're going to go to Custom, and we are going to go to Set Courses in Wales. So we're going to change the size of our stitches. If I want to capture as much detail as I can, I'm going to make this a smaller gauge stitch. So when you increase the number of wales and courses, it makes the stitches finer. So here I'm going to make this 12. And for courses, I'm going to make this 14. Now, as I do that, should change the sizes here as well. So here I'm going to make this smaller. I'm going to make it maybe 5 by 6. So this is my preview. I'm going to always keep the ratio, and then I'm going to say OK. So here's my image converted to a knit. All of my colors are the same as my export, which was index, so all of my colors are in the right order. I'm going to select color A, and I'm going to go to panel settings. I'm going to make my panel, why don't I make it 14 by 14. I'm going to say OK. And then I'm going to use my bucket tool, and I'm going to fill the ground. Now with my masking tools, I'm going to select my flower, and I'm going to Control C, and then I can use my mirror tools to flip and rotate my design. Whoops. And then I can place it. Might not be perfect. I can do it again. There we go. I'm going to hit Escape and Control D to deselect. So now, if I want to, I can make a box. I can copy this. I can reflect it and place it on my canvas. Hit Escape and deselect. So if I wanted to make this an all-over pattern, what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize my canvas. So I'm going to make it 12 inches high, and let's make it 10 3/4 inches wide. Oops. So we're going to make it 10 inches high. No, we're going to make it 12 inches high and 10 3/4 inches wide. Now, when you crop your canvas, it always crops from the upper right-hand side. So now I can go File, Export. I can export it as a knit simulated panel. And depending on how many colorways you do, you can go into selection and choose the colorways, but here it's just current, and I'm going to say OK, and I'm going to export it as a TIFF. And now I can fill my body. And that concludes step 2.